Hey everyone, today's video may feel a bit different, but we are diving into a quick tech review of the IFPEVEBO XLR male to female cable. It's a product I picked up from AliExpress. The cable I received is 3 meters long, which is perfect for setups where you need extra distance between your microphone and your audio interface or mixer, especially if you are working in a home studio or any recording environment that need flexibility. So if you are interested in checking it out, you'll find the product link and some discount coupons in the description below, so you can grab it at a lower price during this period. Honestly, I was a bit hesitant about buying this cable, but after reading a lot of positive reviews, I decided to give it a shot, and here it is. I'll be having my audio setup as soon as my new microphone arrives, which I'm really excited about since it'll be great on my tier. Now, you might be wondering, is this cable good enough for home studios and professional setups? The short answer is absolutely yes. Before recording this video, I give it a quick test run just to see if there was any hidden noise or signal issue. And I'm happy to report the cable performed really well. It delivers clean audio and works just fine whether you're setting up a home studio, recording vocals, podcasts, or even working in a professional environment. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this cable gets the job done. Alright, without dragging things out, let's straight into it. I'm going to open the packaging and show you the cable. It features standard XLR male and female connectors and right off the bat. One thing I loved is how flexible the cable. That flexibility is super useful, especially if you are working in tight space where you have to bend your cables. This bends easily without risking damage or breakage. So let's open it now. The connectors themselves are housed on metal chassis, which give it a solid professional feel. The cable is available in multi-length from half a meter all the way up to 10 meters, depending on your setup's needs. As for your compatibility, you can use this cable with a wide range of audio gear, audio interface, speakers, mixer, and the most professional audio equipment. Now it's time to put to the test. Now I'm connected microphone with audio interface and with this cable, and hello, test 1, 2. Right now I'm using a professional microphone, the Audio-Technica 82035, instead of my usual BM800, and what you are hearing is the raw audio straight from the microphone through the IFPEVEBO XLR cable with no processing applied. This should give you a clear idea of how clean and transparent the cable is when paired with a higher-end microphone. So, as someone who's passionate about audio and studio gear, I confidently recommend this cable to anyone looking for quality and reliability without breaking the bank, whether you are just starting out or already working in a more professional environment. I think you'll be genuinely impressed with what this cable offers for the price. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another audio product. Take care and happy recording.